We are given this function r of t, which represents the rate of change of rainfall in inches per hour, where t represents the number of hours, and it is from 0 to 8. And we have to calculate r prime of 4. So r prime of 4 is the first derivative of the function r of t when t equal to 4. So to determine this, we have to utilize this first piece, because we have to find out r prime of 4, which means we have to consider the r of the r of t function when t is equal to 4. So when t is equal to 4, we consider this part, because this is how it is defined when t is less than or equal to 5. So first, let's write down the r of t. So we have r of t equals negative t square plus 6t plus 1. Now I find the derivative with respect to time on both sides, which we can write down this as r prime of t. And this equals, we have to find the derivative of each term. Derivative of negative t square using the power rule is negative of 2t, plus the derivative of 60 is 6, and derivative of 1, which is a constant, is 0. So this is the derivative of the function r of t. Now we have to find r prime of 4, which means we plug in t equal to 4 into this equation. So therefore this becomes r prime of 4 equals negative 2 times of, I replace t by 4, this becomes 4 plus 6. And this equals negative 2 times of 4 is negative 8 plus 6, and this gives negative 2. And the unit of this is inches per hour square. Because the unit of r of t is inches per hour, let's calculate the unit separately here. We have r of t, or I can write down r prime of t. This equals the derivative of r of t with respect to time. So here we can write down this as dr of t over dt. And the unit of r of t is inches per hour, and the unit of time is hour. So therefore this becomes inches per hour square. So that's why we write down this unit as negative 2 inches per hour square, or shortly we can write down this as negative 2 inches per hour square. So this is the answer for this question.